আমরা অনেকেই যখন স্পোকেন ইংলিশ চর্চা করতে যাই তখন আসলে কি নিয়ে চর্চা করব বা কোন টপিক নিয়ে চর্চা করব এই বিষয় নিয়ে বিভ্রান্তিতে পড়ে যাই। এক্ষেত্রে একটি বিষয় আপনাদের স্মরণ করিয়ে দিতে চাই যে আপনি যদি সারাদিন কি করছেন এবং যদি মনে করেন যে আমি গতকালকে যে কাজগুলো করেছি সেটাকেই এক্সপ্লেন করার চেষ্টা করব, তাহলে কিন্তু আপনার মানে কোনো টপিক নিয়ে প্র্যাকটিস করব এইসব নিয়ে আর বিভ্রান্তি থাকবে না। তো এখন আমি চেষ্টা করব আপনাদের সামনে আমি গতকালকে কীভাবে কী করেছি সেগুলোকে এক্সপ্লেন করার। তো কোনো জায়গায় যখন বক্তব্য দেবো আমাকে যখন রিকোয়েস্ট করা হবে যে নাও উই আর রিকোয়েস্টিং মোস্তফা শ্রাবণ টু কাম অন দ্য ডায়াস টু ডেলিভার হিজ স্পিচ অ্যাবাউট ইয়েস্টারডেজ অ্যাক্টিভিটি, গতকালকের অ্যাক্টিভিটি নিয়ে আমাকে বক্তব্য দেওয়ার জন্য ডাকা হবে। সো আমি তেমনভাবেই বক্তব্যটা দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করব। Thank you, Honorable Moderator, for inviting me on the dais. It's a great honor for me to be standing here, to be standing before the brilliant minds of Islamic University. And as I am not a public speaker, so I feel a bit nervous to be talking here. However, I will try my best to talk about my topic. Today, I have been told to talk a few words regarding my yesterday's activities. So, truly speaking, I did so many activities, so many things yesterday. So, if I wanna describe each and everything what I did yesterday, then it will take hours. It will take days to complete my words. So, from all my activities, I wanna choose some activities and I wanna share these. So, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Have a very good morning to you all. And this is Mostofa Shravan before you, and it's a great honor for me to be talking with you. So without any further delay, I wanna start my presentation. I wanna start my talk regarding my yesterday's activities. So, ladies and gentlemen, you know it very well that I am a teacher. So, as I am a teacher, I teach many students, and that's why a teacher is someone who needs to study, who needs to take preparation before teaching. So in the very morning, I was learning something. I was practicing some English because I am a teacher, so I need to teach my students. So before teaching my students, I was taking preparation in the very morning. And yesterday was Friday. So Friday means our vacation. Friday means our off day. So it was a great opportunity for me to have a leisure time to enjoy my time at home. So yesterday I was at my home and there was a wedding ceremony. At my house. So I was quite busy at my home yesterday, and it was a hectic day for me. I was busy from very morning, and I had to do some works, some chores, and that's why I was working at my house. And when it was as it was Friday, so when it was 12:30, I mean before going to mosque for saying Juma prayer, I was taking bath, and also I took bath, and then I put on my traditional dress, and then I went to say Juma prayer, and after saying prayer I returned my home quickly because it was a wedding ceremony, so I have to attend there, and that's why I returned earlier. And I tried to help those who were working. I tried to help as much as I could. And after that, I had my lunch together with many guests. I had my lunch, and after having my lunch, you know, my younger sister, she is a nurse, so she came to house from Sylhet because she got her vacation, and she was at our house. She was at home. So, and yesterday she left for her job place, and that means workplace. She left for her workplace again, and that's why in the afternoon we said goodbye to my younger sister. And as I'm also a teacher, so my office is going to start from Monday, so I'm going to be busy, and that's why when it was around 5 p.m., I mean late afternoon, then I was also taking preparation to come to Rajshahi city, because I live in this city, in this town, and that's why when it was afternoon I packed all my bags, and then I wore my dresses, and then I was waiting for an auto, transportation. And after a while I got an auto, and after that I got in that auto, and finally I reached Rajshahi. But I want to share something that happened when I was traveling from my home to Rajshahi city. As we are having Eid vacation, and that's why when I was coming, I was having difficulty to get any types of vehicle, because all vehicles were packed. That means there were no seat, there were no room in any vehicles. So it was really tough to get any empty vehicles by which we can travel from my village to Rajshahi city. So I was having difficulty in getting such vehicle, but finally, by the grace of Almighty, I got an empty vehicle. But it was not fully empty, but I got two seats, and finally we came Rajshahi town. And after coming Rajshahi city, as I came here again after spending my Eid vacation, so I had some due works that I have to do. So after coming my home in Rajshahi, I was doing some household chores. I was helping my wife, and finally, as I was having my vacation, so I couldn't take any class online, and that's why I was taking preparation once again, because I have to take classes for my students. And as you know, I am taking class regularly on various topics of English grammar, spoken English, and each and everything whatever you need. So I was taking preparation, because if you don't have a good preparation, you cannot deliver a good speech. And that's why I was taking preparation to take a nice class. And finally, when it was 10 p.m., I was, I mean, before going to bed, I had my dinner, and finally, when it was 10, I am early riser and also early sleeper. I sleep early, I get up early, and that's why I hung mosquito net and finally turned the fan on and turned the light off, and turning light off I went to bed for a tight sleep. So those are all about my yesterday activities, and thank you for being with me. I shared my yesterday activities. So I hope that you will be benefited if you practice this way. So thank you very much. Thank you for being with me. Namaste. I will be here once again with another new item. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.